Hello from Switzerland. I am Reinhard Margalisch. I founded VARGU in 2007. The brand VARGU represents our future with sustainability, fair production and technical innovation. VARGU is a combination of two words, variations and arguments. Our new unprecedented 2019 collection are futuristic designs combined with USB port connector and recycled PET bottles lining. We built them for you with care to last.
Turtle X, Air X, Roll X, Centric X, recycled PET bottle lining, waterproof body, USB port, trolley function, reflective logo, padded 14-inch laptop and 10.5-inch tablet compartment. Equipped with padded laptop and tablet sleeve. Each backpack is fitted with specially designed padded back supports for improved air circulation. They also come with ergonomically designed shoulder straps. Our team concentrate on the details that matter. All VARGU backpacks are fitted with an external USB port and an internal USB power connection. All for your endless power on the go. Our flagship backpack Turtle X has an innovative rain hood, so you're always prepared for rainy weather conditions. Every backpack is made with a tested waterproof material. Our new innovative opening solution offers easy access within the entire backpack. This special aesthetic feature has the unique appearance of a collared shirt.